I'll try not to.
Shorty's Rescue, this is Shorty.
Hi, Shorty. My name is Christine, and I was calling because my family and I are in a really bad situation right now. We're a military family. We live on a military installation, and they have now implemented a food ban, and they're restricting all pit bulls